right, you guys, you know what this means. It's moving day. We are officially leaving my favorite apartment ever. Kind of sad. We are upgrading and getting ready to get all of our stuff in the new house. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Kiara. I'm a pediatric nurse and ski coach. Just bought my very first home in my favorite neighborhood. We are getting out of my 530 square foot apartment and moving into my new house because there's a lot of work that's gonna be done first. So I'm not gonna be like officially putting the furniture in it, but we're gonna move everything into the garage and get everything out of here. Where we left off is we did a pretty good job. My friend Leah came over and helped me out and we packed pretty much everything. Like all this stuff is out of the cupboards. It's looking pretty good in here. All the food is out. Everything's out of the dresser here. Everything's out of the dresser there. This is Goodwill. Really like the only thing that's left is everything in this storage closet. All my tools, all my clothes, all my dried goods. That's kind of a lot. No, I never even finished putting away my laundry. I need to still pack for a trip that I'm leaving on in 2 days. Clothes is just gonna go all to my parents' house. I may not even move the clothes today. My dad is on his way over and then we're gonna go pick up the U-Haul. I rented like a 15-foot U-Haul because it's just so much easier than trying to load everything in the truck and taking like tons of trips. I'm gonna get a little ready and enjoy the last peaceful moments of my morning before the chaos ensues. My friend Jason and Erica are coming over to help me move all this stuff. They're super strong and it's gonna be really helpful to have 4 of us running back and forth rather than just my dad and I running back and forth. Okay, let the chaos begin.
How's it going, man? I just wanted to check in with you and see how things are going on your side. Yeah, I really think I'm gonna marry this girl. Seems like it's for real this time.
I just checked in at U-Haul and uploaded all the information they need. So now I'm just working away at small little projects, like disconnecting everything. Obviously, the lamp is not gonna be able to hang. Everything else can kind of stay in here, all the chargers and stuff. And so then it's all in one place and I don't have to like box and unbox everything. Little tape or risky tab for me to hold up. That's all taped. I wish I had one more bin. Oh, I do have a bin. I need to pack all of my bathroom stuff. I might be able to do it pretty quickly. And I have 2 bins left. Let's do some bathroom stuff. Moving squad has arrived. Woo! So I feel like we should go get the U-Haul and then there's this mattress in the mattress bag. Is my lamp behind you? You want to move that? Give me that and I'll move it.
Someone were to hold it in the middle and then 2 of us on the corner and then just kind of slowly feed it under. Yeah.
That's pretty good, you guys. God bless you guys. This is nice. I should have gotten one of these a long time ago.
More slack.
More slack. This is the best $25 I ever seen.
Jason and I were laughing. We're like, never at least seen one of these.
And all the moves. I've done
I
a lot of
know.
moves.
I'm like, this is great.
We're talking about like normal people put sheets or maybe a big plastic bag.
No,
Kiara's got like the elephant body bag.
I'm like, no dust will enter my sleeping.
This whole thing's a forensic scene.
Look at this.
You guys, the handle?
Wow. I mean that's.
What? Look at this.
We're gonna flip it on it.
Nice. I'm gonna hold it. You guys are gonna walk it. He's good. Oh yeah, set down.
Do you think we should tip it so that
Side is down.
Yeah.
You guys are so strong. Yep. That's it. Okay. Look how organized I am. I taped it to the instructions of the bed.
That's very surprising.
I mean, like, you guys, I'm really working up here. Oh, I heard it. I do really like the slats on my other bed though. These ones suck. Oh.
Yeah.
God, I love my friends so much. They're doing so great. I'm gonna try to roll the rug here. Get some more stuff done. I have this bin. I might put all these blankets and stuff in this bin. Let's see if it all fits. So close. Guys, it's so empty in here. Literally have like mostly the small stuff left. Couple little things in the bathroom. My room is kind of a lot because so much clothing and random stuff that I need a trash bag for. Okay. This is ready. You guys, the TV stand's gone. We'll grab a chair one. Okay. We're at the worst part of moving where we're all like with the tiny little boxes, things that don't belong. That could probably go in you. Dad, do I need this for anything?
Oh my god, put some of your spices in it.
Yeah, it's like padded.
You can put that just right in there.
Yeah, we could just put one of
Or
those.
if you want, we can put your Kiara in there and then put it in the U-Haul. How's that sound? So it's still slightly padded and protected, you know? Every once in a while I have a good idea.
You have good ideas. The espresso going in. No. Oh my god. It's not that heavy.
Oh yeah.
You think the toaster could just sit in there?
I would put it in a bag. Boy fit.
Okay, you guys, Jason has crushed it. Look at this place. It's pretty much empty besides just like the little boxes and things. This is the hardest stuff, but it kind of just all goes in the car. This is all pretty good. Then I have all my clothes, so that's gonna take a while. But, oh, we forgot the Maddie painting.
Oh, I just figured you want to leave it because it's kind of delicate to put in your vehicle.
Yeah, we should put it in my car. Maybe we could put it on top of the mirror.
Yeah.
We're gonna try to put this mirror in my car very carefully. And then we're gonna go get food because I'm starving. And then I think we're gonna unload the U-Haul because there's nothing else really that's gonna fit in the U-Haul. Got the mirror in here safely, no cracks. The U-Haul here. It smells so bad in here. How do I make it not smell like that?
Ventilated all. I don't think it'll hurt anything.
Love citrus.
Okay.
So I'm like, could I get some sort of citrus spritzers or a
Are
lemon?
you trying to think of that against that wood in the corner?
Yeah.
I want to see inside. The door open.
Oh, it's cold in here. Oh God, I'm probably paying for this. Wait, how do I do this? I don't want to pay for it.
That's mode.
That's off. That's off.
Okay.
Leave it.
Yeah, the pan color.
Pretty bright. It's pretty bright in here. I know. The pan is bad.
Ooh, it looks so pretty out here. Yeah, I love the little
We
view.
need another window.
From the end down there.
Yeah. I think if we move these, I think you have to go like this.
Oh, there you go.
How did that happen?
Pull loose of the thing.
Yeah, it pulled loose off of that. Oh, great. Okay, let's go get food. I'm hungry. Okay, little home. Yeah. We already ate our food at La Provence. I didn't even film any of it because I was so starving. So now we're getting started. We had like a long lunch. So it's 3:30 now and we're gonna put everything in this garage. Call it a day. Let the party begin.
Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Dreaming every night like the last time. So I end all my days with you. Yeah, we should share a backseat in a taxi to get home. No need for either of us at this point to sleep alone. 'Cause I don't like ending my days with you. You can waste my time if that's what you wanna do. Oh, I don't mind if all that you say is not true. No, I don't mind. I just wanna end all my days with you.
That literally took 20 minutes. That took 20 minutes to unload that. And that's, whew, it's pretty good. Forgot that the trash gets taken out tomorrow, so I'm gonna use this opportunity to see if there's anything extra in here and throw away. We did it, you guys. I'm like essentially done with most of the move. I literally am just gonna move my clothes tomorrow because it's all going to my parents' house and I'm too tired to do it today. And I feel very pleased with the amount that we got done. Now I'm just sitting in my house. It's so crazy. This is my first time alone in the house and I feel like it's starting to feel real because I have been compartmentalizing every single piece of this process. I feel like I was so afraid of losing the house or things not working out, getting too excited, getting too attached. Then just like my life in and of itself and so many other aspects has changed dramatically. I have just been in survival mode trying to prepare for this move. I literally packed in one day with Leah and then we moved today. I have one more day at home and then I leave on Wednesday. say? It's just so many moving pieces that it's sometimes really hard to be able to just like sit and enjoy. So I'm just taking these couple moments to sit here and fill myself with so much gratitude for this new space, and I cannot wait to make it my own. I think when I'm alone, I'm more like inspired and grateful for like this home is what it is, and then sometimes when I'm with my friends, it's so easy for me to be like, I'm gonna fix this and this and this, and I know this is wrong, and I'm gonna nitpick this. Truthfully, at the end of the day, like this is such a privilege and a gift to be able to call this place home and just to be surrounded by like the most beautiful trees and greenery. And I know when all of my stuff is organized and put away, I will also feel calm and at peace. Probably gonna end the video here. Doug and I are gonna put a little bit of paint on the wall. We're gonna paint a little bit of white so we can pick a white color. We just got a bid to see how much it would cost to fix all of the popcorn ceiling and to paint the whole house inside white. So that hopefully will brighten up things a ton. And I just, again, want to thank you guys so much for this opportunity. This house is all of our house. No way I would be sitting here on this hardwood floor without you guys, without your support and encouragement, about you guys being a part of my journey, even from high school and the college years and nursing school to now being a homeowner. So I want to thank you guys if you've been a follower of mine for a long time. And go follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I'm going to be posting a lot more on my social media because I feel like these changes are going to happen little by little, and sometimes that doesn't always mean like a full YouTube video. Today's question of the day is going to be, what is a recent dream of yours that you were able to make a reality? This is mine. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.
In a world I don't wanna say, just the same damn thing. What's your height, what's your age, what's the price of your weight? And every year we're expected to show all the things that we were able to grow. When you're making half the money